12 a.m. I want to go to bed. That was so extra.
Well, I just have joined with
Hey, you're not even listening. I am just a sentient clock who you yell at every day. Well, what?
Oh, are you okay?
Sadly still alive.
Why did you pause? Why are you smiling like a madman?
You can read that.
What a sunny day.
Must you torment me?
You're so funny, Clock.
You just gonna leave the door wide open?